Hi everybody, it's Reina with Double TI and I want to show you my umbrellas. I live in the Caribbean, so I really needed to invest in a good umbrella for the sun, and this one was the perfect because comes with UV protection, and that made me feel so secure under this umbrella. And also it's so easy to open because it has an auto open button like you see here. Just in a second you have your umbrella open, and to close it, it's so easy too, but it's manually. I love this umbrella. I think it worth the price, great value, well made, and it's like you see automatic. So if you want to have a good quality material umbrella and with UV protection, this is the perfect option. And that is my point of view.